Hello mga palangga, welcome back to my channel. This is TalktoJULIA. Are you ready for our next lesson? So let's get started. How to use so and such. In English lessons, these two are usually the confusing ones, especially for beginners. So let's break it down. So means very or extremely, to some degree or level. So means very or extremely. Remember this pattern when you use the word so. So plus adjective, so plus adverb. For example, Sean is so happy because he passed the test. That's so plus happy. Happy is adjective. In the second example, he answered the test so quickly. So plus quickly. So quickly here is the adverb. Again, take note. One more time. So happy, so quickly. On the other hand, if you're going to use such, this one is used to show high level of importance. English teachers usually display the pattern for so and such for the students to understand easily. We follow this pattern, such plus adjective phrase, article a or an, plus the adjective plus the noun, so we call that adjective phrase. For example, Jane is such a sweet girl. I like how she speaks. So here, such plus article a plus the adjective sweet and the noun is girl. Such a sweet girl. Here we go. Thanks for doing the activity. But if you think that this video is so informative, or you might say that this is such an informative video. That's all for today. See you in my next video.